Hey guys, it's Brooke. So today is Valentine's Day when I'm filming this, so happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully I can get it up the same day. I'm going to try hard, and I know I'm a little late. I am a huge procrastinator, but yeah, we're here now. So today's video is going to be me recreating my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial that I did last year. I loved this look so much. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to basically create the same look by watching the video and watching my own tutorial. So that's going to be a fun one. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Also, don't forget to click subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Pretty sure I have all these same products. I already have foundation, concealer, blush, and bronzer on. I'm mainly just going to be focusing on the eyes, so this video isn't a million years long. But as you can see, I got a cute little background. Unless this is your first video of mine, then you wouldn't know that I have a different background than usual. But these are the flowers and the cute little fox that I got for Valentine's Day, as well as some chocolates. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and actually get started. So I'm going to go ahead and watch the tutorial and see what products I used. I know I used this Pure Cosmetics NamaSlay cream eyeshadow, but as for the palette, I'm not sure. Also, this video will be linked down below so you can actually see what I'm doing. As I figured, I am using the Too Faced Bonbons chocolate palette. I thought I used this because it's pink, it's hearts, and it's Valentine's Day tutorial. So I remember this look being very simple and easy. So let's go ahead and see what color I used in the crease. Alright, so I'm going to take Divinity right here, which is just like a nice setting shade for all over the lid. And I love these Too Faced palettes. They are so nice. Moving on. Alright, so next up I went in with Almond Truffle right here, and this shade is so pretty. Honestly, I don't think I have used this palette since that tutorial. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I just kind of forget to use all my palettes. So I know I really love this palette though. The shades are just so soft and beautiful. So I'm just going to build that up into the crease. Alright, so there is that shade in the crease. It is such a beautiful shade. And it does have a pinky type undertone. It's super pretty. Also, if you have not noticed, I'm wearing the exact same jewelry and the exact same shirt as I did. So I'm kind of recreating the whole look. Alright, so next up I took Mocha, which is right here, on a flatter brush. But I'm just going to use a little smaller of a round brush. And I'm just going to put that on the outer crease. Alright, and now I'm just also going to put Mocha on the lower lash line, and then that is it for this palette. And then we're going to go in with NamaSlay on the lid. I'm just quickly applying some Too Faced glitter glue to the lid, where I'm going to put this NamaSlay liquid shadow at. And in the video I just used my finger, so I'm going to do exactly that. These are so beautiful. I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch of this. Look how pretty that is. It's a rose gold. It is gorgeous. So I'm just going to take my finger. That might be too much. And then I'm going to touch up the shadow around it so everything looks nice and blended. I really hate that this eye is more hooded than this eye because it makes it look weird when I do certain looks. But I mean, it still looks pretty. It's just, it's harder to get the eyeshadows to match, if you know what I mean. Let me know if you have that problem too. So in the original video, I did dark truffle right here on the lower lash line, like right on the lash line. So I'm going to do that, but I'm also going to put that and smoke it out a little bit right here. So I'm doing things a little differently, but not completely different. Alright, so I thought I was done with the eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to take Satin Sheets and Sprinkles, a mix of those two, put it underneath the brow bone and in the inner corner. And then we'll be done. After I add mascara, which I will be using the Better Than Sex mascara. Alright guys, and that is it for the eyes. I'm just going to add some highlighter. I think I'm going to use Rodeo Drive by OFRA, which I'll go ahead and get that. What do you want, Peanut? This highlight is super, super beautiful, and I think it will complement the look pretty well, even though I got a little more pinky tones going on, but yes, I hear you. Ooh, look at that highlight. Wow. I'm also going to pop some of this in the inner corner just so it's a little more shiny. Alright, and then we're going to finish off with the red lipstick that I wore in that video, which is by Angelia Cosmetics, and this is in Hot Mama. Alright, the struggle was real trying to put on that lipstick. I got lipstick on my teeth, which that doesn't happen often. But yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There it is again. Okay. There we go. Yeah. You can tell I don't wear liquid red lipstick often, and this is why. But this is a beautiful, beautiful color, and the formula is really, really nice. Anyway, this is the completed look. Do you guys think I did a good job recreating my own Valentine's Day look? I did it just a few things differently, but I think it turned out absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love this simple but a little bit more glam look. I think it's perfect for day wear or going out to eat or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click subscribe down below, and everything that I used on and off camera will be listed down below so you guys know what is on my face. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, okay. I gotta turn one direction off so I don't get copyrighted.